Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Good. Have you saw part 1 video? No. Watch it before coming to part 2 video. Dear students, we are going to continue class 10, that is SSLC first language English, short questions, in which we are going to cover all your previous year question papers questions, your model paper questions with the key answers, and a bit summary of the entire chapter. Please don't forget the first day, the first class, what teachers have taught you. Yes, today I'm going to give the recap of that. So, always old is gold. Never forget it. Got it? Good. So, we are just going to have a recap of the entire chapter, what it is present, so that it will be helpful for you people to construct the answer, to make the answer, to understand the given question. So, we are going to give you the summary along with 100% sure expected questions for this academic year board exam. Let's begin. Prose 2, Elixir of Life. The author is Sir C.V. Raman. Introduction. Elixir of Life. It is an essay which is written by Sir C.V. Raman. He is an Indian physicist and also he is a Nobel Prize winner. Okay. Now in this chapter, he is going to discuss about the importance of water. How the water is important in our daily life and also how it is giving a life to the plants, animals, humans, for each and every organism. So that is the meaning of elixir. Elixir of life is nothing but importance of life. You may expect a question like, what do you mean by elixir of life? Elixir of life is nothing but importance of water. Understood? For the purpose of survival of life. For the survival, for to survive. Now, let me have a recap of this complete chapter. The importance of water. Okay. So, C.V. Raman explains, Sir C.V. Raman explains how water is one of the most precious natural resource and also he is going to give you complete a important role how the water understood. He is going to give the role of the water, how the water is playing an important role in our daily life. Understood, to maintain our ecosystem and also for the survive to survive the human civilization. And also he talks about how water shapes landscapes, helpful in the survival of all living things. देखो बेटा, अब इस चैप्टर के अंदर हम ये चीज को डिस्कस करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो पानी कितना कीमती है, पानी किस लिए हमारे को इम्पोर्टेंट है और पानी की वजह से किस किस इंसानों को और जानवरों को फायदा हो रहा है. सो इसके बारे में हम इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. एंड ही गिव्स द एग्जांपल ऑफ डेजर्ट टू शो द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर. देखो बेटा, पानी की कीमत कब पता चलती है? जब पानी हमारे पास में नहीं रहेगा तभी उस पानी की हमारे को कदर मालूम होती है. हाउ मच द वाटर इज प्रेशियस, व्हेन डू वी गेट टू नो? When there is no water in front of us, then only we understand the importance of water. Similarly, even in our daily life, today your teachers are present in front of you all who are teaching day and night. Isn't it? They are teaching day and night for you. When your teachers are in front of you, you never respect them. You never care them. They used to say, this is important, study, even though you never respect. But at the time of exam, you will realize them. Yes, at least I would have followed my teacher. Today I might have passed. Today I might have scored. This is what even the water. If you go to a desert place, you will understand how much the water is very important. Any doubts? Good. Now, let me see children, the wonder of water in nature. Raman describes how water in rivers, lakes and waterfalls creates beautiful scenery. See children, water is not only helpful to survive and also it is giving a beauty for you as a scenery as a place of attraction, as a place of tourism. Understood? And he explained how the flow of water shapes the land. Curve valleys creates fertile plains that support agriculture. He also highlights the power of water in nature. The monsoon rains bring life to crops, while rivers provide drinking water and irrigation. Without water, human civilization could not at all survive. So, water is a very powerful in nature, isn't it? So, जब भी बारिश का सीजन आता है तो क्या होता है? झाड़ों में फूल खिलते हैं, फल निकलते हैं, राइट? एंड पानी पीने से जान बच रही है, हमारी जिंदगी है। साथ साथ पानी की वजह से आज हम इधर पे जिंदा हैं। पेड़ पेड़ क्या हो रहे हैं? फल दे रहे हैं। ये सारी चीजें किस चीज से हो रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ वाटर. Now, water is also helpful in the terms of irrigation for agriculture also. So, this essay explains the agriculture depends on water. How the agriculture is depending on water? The farmers need water. Without water, do you think that the farmers can cultivate? The farmers can yield the crops in their field? No, not at all. To cultivate the crops, definitely the water is required. If not, what happens? क्या होगी? कंप्लीट जमीन बंजर हो जाएगी. जिस जमीन में कोई पेड़ या पौधे क्या हो नहीं सकते, ग्रो नहीं हो सकते. करेक्ट? सो इट बिकम्स ड्राफ्ट. अंडरस्टूड? सो irrigation system helps store and distribute water to dry areas, ensuring food production. Dear student, this word is very important. You have to understand. Based on this topic, you can expect a question. How do you store water? What are the ways? How do you conserve water? So, how do you conserve water by the method of irrigation? Irrigation method को use करके आप किस तरह से water को conserve कर रहे हैं? How you are going to conserve the water? Irrigation system, how it is helpful? To save the water, to conserve the water. It helps to store the water and distributes the water to dry areas, ensuring food production. So Raman warns about wasting water. So Sir C.V. Raman is telling that he is giving a caution. He is warning you people that please do not waste water and encourage the people to conserve the water. If you are going to conserve the water, so this water is not only helpful for you today, and also it is helpful for your next future generation also. So later on, your next generation should not suffer because of the water. So water conservation and management. So Sir C.V. Raman has given few ideas how you want to conserve the water. Sir is saying that use rain harvesting system, use proper irrigation method, and also prevent the pollution, prevent the water from pollution. Understood? So don't make the rivers or lakes or ponds to get polluted. Avoid them from the pollution so that you can conserve water. If you are it's not only you are going to conserve the water, and also indirectly you are preventing from harmful diseases also. Understood? By preventing from the pollution, what you are doing? You are preventing from the harmful diseases. तो बहुत सारे खतरनाक diseases से भी आप बच सकते हैं. So sir is saying that please avoid wastage of water to prevent scarcity in the water. वाटर की कमी होने से बच सकते हैं. So from here we can conclude that so water is the real elixir of life. Without water, no life. This is the comment. What do you mean by how can you say that water is the real elixir of life? Without water, no life. If today life is there, because of water. Today we are here because of water. Today we can see agriculture because of water. So please respect water. Respect water. Protect water. Conserve water. Understood? So from here we got to know that the moral of the story, water is most precious natural resource. Without water, life cannot exist. So we must need to conserve and protect the water for future generation. The things whatever I have explained you, again I have explained you here in a short form. You please go ahead with that. Now let me have a small discussion of previous year board questions. Which are the types of questions was asked before? So that this also will give us an idea like how we need to study for this academic year board exam. So the previous year questions, why does CV Raman call the water elixir of life? How does water shape the earth's surface? Explain the importance of water for agriculture. What are the dangers of wasting water? Means what are the disadvantages? Dangers of wasting water means disadvantages of wasting water. How can you conserve water? Give two methods. Why is rain harvesting system harvesting method is important? How does the essay, which essay? They may give you the word here. How does the essay? That is essay connect water. Essay means what? Which essay? Elixir of life. This is an essay. Understood? Which connect the water with human civilization. So this year we can expect few important questions apart from these questions. And my dear students, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe it and click the bell icon to get the instant notifications from our end time to time. Okay. So here, as you can see, why do you think water is the most important resource on earth? Write a short note on how water is used for generating electricity. What will happen if we do not conserve water? Give example. Explain the role of water in shaping landscapes. How can schools and colleges help in saving water? CV Raman says that water gives beauty to the countryside. Justify the statement. How does Sir CV Raman describe the rain-fed tanks found in South India? What are the various causes of soil erosion? How can it be prevented? I hope you have got the idea how the questions will be asked, and also we have given the key answers for all the specific questions so that you should not find difficulty to frame the answers. My dear students, if you need the PDF of this page and also of any subjects, any pages, you can just join to our Telegram channel, Shah Sir Classes. So you can join to our Telegram group so that you will get the PDF links directly over there time to time. And you can follow us on Telegram, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Threads. The name is Shah Sir Classes. How was this video and what video you want me to make next? Do not forget to comment. Okay? Like, comment and share. Subscribe. All the best. We'll meet soon in the next video.